If you're a photographer out there and you're joining us to do this business, you better be careful. Yes, you better be careful because the amount of hatred we have in this business alone. I've been in many situations where I find out that my fellow photographers in my state are the ones now spoiling my name to clients. They are not saying different things. Meanwhile, I've been in same situation where this happened and I'm being like, maybe the photographer not there in the mood, maybe the photographer dey stressed, maybe something happened. I no go just believe say the photographer just behave like that. But these guys will not do the same for you. So if you are in the midst of all these guys, you better be careful. At the same time, you that is out there trying to spoil business for other person, believing only you want to do business, believing the business, the world is in your hand. Let me make you understand one thing. No be you the blessed person. No matter how we be, no matter how good you are, God no dey bless people by how good they are. God dey choose to bless anybody He wan bless. So this to make you understand that no matter how you hate on your fellow photographer, no matter how you hate on the next person, you don't have control over the person's life. No matter what you say or do, God will still do whatever He wants to do in that person's life. So it's better you just stop hating, share the love. Let's all love ourselves and let the love lead. Once again, my name is Geetee and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.